Have you ever wondered why communication seems so effortless for some, yet challenging for others? The answer may lie in the mystery of the throat chakra. Rooted in ancient Hindu and Buddhist traditions, the throat chakra is recognized as the body's fifth primary chakra. Nestled within the throat region, it serves as the gateway to our voice and our truth. It's the wellspring from which our thoughts and feelings flow into the world, forming the words we utter, the songs we sing, and the stories we tell. When the throat chakra is in balance, our communication is clear, we express ourselves openly, and we feel heard and understood. We are able to articulate our needs, share our wisdom, and convey our emotions with grace and authenticity. It's no wonder then that the throat chakra is seen as a powerful force within us. So, the throat chakra plays an integral role in how we express ourselves and interact with the world. But why does the throat chakra hold such importance in our lives? You might be wondering, well, let's delve into it. The throat chakra, also known as the Vishuddha in Sanskrit, is like a bridge that connects our heart and head, maintaining harmony between our emotions and thoughts. It's the energy center for communication and self-expression. When it's open and balanced, we can express ourselves freely and honestly, leading to healthier relationships and better professional success. An open throat chakra also plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. It allows us to listen effectively, communicate clearly, and express ourselves authentically. When we can share our thoughts, ideas, and feelings without fear, we invite understanding, empathy, and connection into our lives. However, an imbalanced throat chakra can lead to the opposite. Symptoms of an imbalanced throat chakra may include difficulty in expressing feelings, a constant fear of being judged, and frequent throat problems. You might feel like you're misunderstood, or that your voice doesn't matter. You might even experience physical symptoms like a sore throat or voice loss. These symptoms can affect us deeply, causing stress and discomfort in our daily lives. They can disrupt our relationships, hinder our professional growth, and affect our overall health. Maintaining a balanced throat chakra then becomes crucial for our overall health and well-being. By understanding its significance, we can take steps towards nurturing this vital energy center. So let's continue on this journey of discovery and healing together. So how can we balance our throat chakra and unlock its full potential? One way is through the use of crystals. Crystals like lapis lazuli, sodalite, and aquamarine have been cherished for centuries for their powerful vibrational energies. Each of these crystals holds a unique frequency that resonates with the throat chakra, helping to bring it into alignment. Lapis lazuli, with its deep celestial blue, is known to inspire honesty, compassion, and morality, qualities that are fundamental to effective communication. Sodalite, on the other hand, is a stone of logic and rationality. It encourages clear, objective thought and verbalization, boosting your self-expression. And then we have aquamarine, the stone of courage and serenity. It emits calming energies that can soothe fears of speaking and encourage peaceful communication. By working with these crystals, we can enhance our communication skills, boost our self-expression, and promote a sense of tranquility. Harnessing the power of these crystals can help us tap into the energy of the throat chakra and enhance our communication abilities. In essence, the throat chakra is a vital energy center that governs our ability to communicate and express ourselves. It's the blue wheel of energy residing in our throat, acting as the bridge between our inner self and the outer world. When this chakra is in balance, it allows us to express our truth freely, fostering authentic and effective communication. The significance of the throat chakra is immense. It's not just about talking and listening, but it's also about understanding. It's about making sense of what we hear, say, and most importantly, what we feel. A balanced throat chakra helps us to voice our feelings and thoughts without fear or hesitation, promoting harmony in our relationships and interactions. And how can we forget about the power of crystals in balancing the throat chakra? Crystals like lapis lazuli, aquamarine, and sodalite are known for their energy balancing properties. These crystals resonate with the energy of the throat chakra, helping to clear any blockages and enhancing our communicative abilities. Maintaining a balanced throat chakra is beneficial in many ways. It not only improves our communication, but also enhances our creativity, self-expression, and emotional well-being. It's like unlocking a new level of understanding and connection with ourselves and the world around us. Enjoyed learning about the throat chakra and its crystals? Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content on chakras and healing crystals.